Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. All right, welcome to part 2 of a 3-part series of budget-friendly wigs. In part 1, I showed you, I think, 15 wigs that were under $200. Now, today I'm going to show you wigs that are under $300. Now, please keep in mind, even though this series is called Budget Friendly Styles, I understand what budget friendly might be to one person, might not be budget friendly to another. So I understand that. I'm just showing you my collection and what I feel like might be helpful to you. Now, all the wigs I'm going to show you are from Wig Studio One. They were either provided for previous review for me or I purchased them with my own funds, but they are all from Wig Studio One. And another thing, be sure to keep your eye on that clearance section at wigstudio1.com. They have some great deals there, and sometimes they'll have little surprise flash sales, so make sure you're signed up for their email list. And if they're going to have a surprise extra off of clearance or something, they will send out a text or an email or both. So make sure you're signed up there, and I get a lot of really good deals on their clearance section. But again, all the ones I'm going to show you today are under $300. Now, I'm not reviewing these wigs. I've already reviewed all these wigs. So if you see something that you're interested in, just type the name of the wig in the search bar of my channel. A video will pop up and it'll have everything like indoor and outdoor lighting, cap discussion, everything you need to know. This is just a quick overview. So let's get started, because we have a lot of wigs to look at that are all under $300. Thank you for joining me today and having a look at a few of these styles that are under $300. Be sure that you're subscribed to my channel and you have turned on the bell notification, because there's another video coming very soon of more wigs under $300. So be sure to stay tuned for that. Thank you again for joining me. Leave me lots of comments. Let's talk about these wigs. Which ones of these have you tried? Which ones do you want to try? Leave me some ideas of videos you'd like to see in the future, and I will see you next time.